we're going to be taking a detailed look at two extremely rare and extremely desirable Porsches, and that's these two cars parked here next to me, the 1986 and 1987 Porsche 911 Turbo Coupe Slantnose. Now the Slantnose, also known as the M505 option, gave the Porsche 911 Turbo vented front fenders, extended side gills, T-tray spoiler on the rear end, and a whole bunch of different cosmetic and different options that these cars were equipped with to make them just a little bit more special than your average car. Now today we're going to be taking a look in detail at both of these cars, both the 87 and 86 Slantnose. One finished in black on black leather, the other finished in black on can red. Both of these cars are equally special, really truly amazing cars, and hopefully you guys learned something about either of these cars today in this video that you didn't know before clicking on. Now the first of two different Porsche 911 Turbo Slantnoses that we'll be taking a look at today is this example parked here behind me, which is a 1986 Porsche 911 Turbo Coupe Slantnose finished in black over a can red leather interior and fitted with the Slantnose option, or also known as the M505 option, which gave the Porsche 911 Turbo Coupe a number of different cosmetic upgrades or changes, such as vented front fenders, extended side gills, and a T-tray rear spoiler, overall making for an even more aggressive look than the already aggressive 911 Turbo. Now this car parked here behind me is powered by a 3.3-liter turbocharged flat 6 engine, and overall it's one of the most iconic Porsche 911s of all time, and possibly even one of the most iconic sports cars. Now this Slantnose in specific was given a couple of different modifications, which include a K27 turbocharger and a Billy Boat stainless steel exhaust system, overall making this car even more awesome than it already was initially. Now if we take a look inside this 1986 Porsche 911 Turbo Coupe Slantnose, you can see the full can red leather interior and the red leather wrapped Momo steering wheel, which overall really brings this car together and really makes it stand out pretty much against anything else out on the road. This car overall is in immaculate condition and a really gorgeous car to be able to take a look at up close in person. This second Slantnose example parked here, as we said, is a 1987 model, powered by the same 3.3-liter flat 6 engine that produces just about 282 horsepower from the factory. This car is extremely sought after in the Porsche world, and overall an extremely gorgeous example of the 1987 Porsche 911 Turbo Slantnose. Interested in either of these cars, they actually both happen to be for sale via luxsport.com. You can visit the website and check out both listings for each car and see all the details behind each car. Also be sure to follow them on Instagram at Luxsport Motor Group to be sure to stay in tune with all the inventory that they have coming in and out. And it consists of a whole lot of different exotic, collectible, and classic cars that you may just want to check out for yourself.